Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this absolutely for beginners, this Baktus scarf. It's so simple, only using chain and double crochet. You can, and I made this scarf. It's 150 centimeter width, like that, but not so wide. And I want to give its measurements because I want to use as a scarf, but if you want to use a shawl, you can turn it to the shawl easily. I told everything in the video. This width is 23 centimeter nearly, and it's equal to nearly 9 inches. Okay, it's only one ball and one day back to scarf. We start like that and we finish like that. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. This will be your first project, I think. It's true choice. I used in that scarf King Cole Riot double knitting. It's 30% of wool, 70% of premium acrylic. One ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 324 yards, 294 meters. They recommend us using, I think, not says about anything hook, but I use for this soft touch 5mm hook in my scarf. And its color number is Rhapsody 240. I hope you like it. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful, so simple, one day, one ball Baktus scarf. Let's start crochet. I start my Baktus shawl with slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. 3 for my first double, yarn over, turn back and insert into the 4th stitch. Grab my yarn, pull through to, make one more double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over and insert into the same stitch. Grab my yarn, pull through to, make one more double. 1, 2, 3, 4 double and 4. This 1, 4, chain 1 space. And I make here increases, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn, pull through to, make one more double crochet, and I have here 2 boxes. Now I increase it 3, yarn over, insert into the top of that double, make double crochet, chain 1, insert into the last stitch and make one more double. I increase 3 boxes, sorry. This side not make any increases. This is comes to my neck. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and turn my work. Yarn over, insert into the next double stop and make here double crochet. Chain 1, come to next double stop, make double. Chain 1, come to last doubles. You know, we make here chain 4, skip 1, insert the second chain here and make double crochet. And now this side might increase this point, so chain 1, yarn over and insert into the same stitch and make one more double crochet. I increase here 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn my work. This is my increases side, so yarn over and insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and make one more double. Chain 1, come to next double stop, make double. Chain 1, come to next double stop, make double. Chain 1, come to next double stop, make double, chain one and come to last stitch, stop, make double. I increase 5 boxes. This side not increases side, so 1 2 3 4 and turn my work, not make any increase this side, come to next double, stop and make double, chain one, next double, chain one, come to next and double, chain one and come to next double, chain one, come to last stitch and make double. But here my increase side, so I have 5 box, I increase it 6 box, insert into the same and make one more double crochet. I increase 6, 1 2 3 4 and turn my increase side, so I made one more increases. This now I will have 7 boxes. Chain one and double crochet, totally make 7, then chain one and turn. When I come to the last, make one increase, turn and make one more increase. So this side I made 2 increases, but this side I'm not make any increases. Okay, like that. I will show you. Look at that. This side I'm not make any increases, you can see that, but this side you can see I made always increases. You will increase your box number, which width you want your scarf or shawl. If you want to use as a scarf, you can make your increases nearly 40 centimeter minimum, but I want to use as a scarf, so I increase it. Totally I have here 28 boxes, and it's equal to 23 centimeter. You will keep repeating, make your increases. After I will turn to you and I will show you how you can make your scarves get bigger and bigger, make not any increases. I will tell you. For this increase makes your scarf or shawls width. I will increase my piece, for example 12, after tell you how you can keep crocheting your scarf as same number. I complete and turn to you. For example, it comes to my for example, it comes we dream it. It comes which width I want. Okay, like that. I want to make it which length I want. This technique. I come to end. This is my increasing point. Chain one and make here one more double. 1 2 3 4 and turn my work and make one more increases. Don't forget, you will make here this side 2 increases. Chain one, come to here, double, chain one, next stitch, double, chain one, next stitch, double, chain one, next double, chain one, next double. I come here and you can leave here 2, 4 or 6. But you need to leave here, your boxes needs to be odd number. Don't forget that. I want to leave here 4 boxes. And this side, my not increase side. So 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and turn my work. Yarn over, make here double, chain one, double, chain one, double, double, chain one, double, double, and come to last stitch, make double. This is my increasing side, so chain one and make one more double crochet here. 1 2 3 4 and turn my work, Not forget that these are increasing sides, so mate here one more double crochet, chain one, next stitch, double, chain one, next stitch, double, chain one, double, chain one, double, chain one, double, last stitch, make double. Look at that, I left here 4 boxes, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4, and turn my work. This is not increased side, so make here next stitch a double crochet. So I left here 4 boxes and I crocheted 4 rows. Now I complete and turn. I will show you. As usual, I come chain one and double crochet, make my boxes, come to last stitch, make 1 double, chain one and make 1 more double in the same stitch and make my increases. Don't forget 1 2 3 4 and turn. This is our increases point, so make 1 more double here, chain one and make my boxes until left here 4 boxes again, 1 2 3 4. Because we left 4 boxes, we crochet 4 boxes. For example, if you leave here 2 boxes, you crochet 2 rows. If you leave here 6 boxes, you crochet 6 rows. Okay, so it gets it gets to keep the same number of boxes. Which length you want until which length you want your scarf you want to use. I keep repeat it 100 and nearly 20 centimeter. I make this technique and keep the same number of boxes, not increases or not decreasing. After that, I think that's enough for me. I start to make decreasing. I will show you a few seconds later. I will show you one more time, chain one and make my boxes. One, two, three, four. Make here last double crochet. Left these 4 boxes, 1 2 3 4 chains and turn your work and keep the same thing. You will start only 1 2 boxes, then you will increase, and which width you want you keep increasing. When you get the number centimeter of which size you want, which width you want, you start to keep the boxes number. You make this technique. After that, it's enough length for you. I will show you next part how you can decrease and finish your scarf. I complete my length after turn to you and we will finish our scarf. I will turn to you. I repeat same number, repeat this piece 14 times, and the big width is nearly 140 centimeter. Now I want to start decrease and finish my Baktus scarf. Okay, for this I come here and left again 1 2 3 and 4 boxes, crochet 1 more double crochet, 1 2 3 4 chains and turn my work. This time need to decrease my number, so I will keep crocheting as same, but you know we leave that 4 boxes every 4 rows. Now I leave that 4 boxes every 2 rows, so I make here decreases, chain 1, You know, on this side we make also make our increases end and the starting point. Now I'm not make any increases end of this row. I left here 4 boxes. Actually I turn and need to increase here, but I want to decrease that shawl and close it, so I'm not make this side increases. 1 2 3 4 chains and turn, make only 1 increases. Okay, if you make your increase this row, not make any increase here. Chain 1 and come to end again. I come to end and you can see I crochet 2 rows and left 4 boxes again, 1 2 3 4 and turn my work and keep crocheting. Come to end, I will turn to you. I come to end, chain 1, insert my hook, last double, make 1 double crochet and not make any increase here because I want to decrease and finish my scarf, so only make 1 increases this side, chain 4 and turn, yarn over, insert into the same stitch and make 1 more double crochet. Then I crochet all the boxes until left here 1 2 3 4 boxes, then turn and come here, not make any increase, chain 4 and make only 1 increase and turn and left again 4 boxes again. Like that you will get decrease your box number. I complete and turn to you. I want to show you finishing. You can see every 2 rows I left 4 boxes, turn with chain 4, chain 1, make double, chain 1, make double, chain 1 and make double, last stitch. In here not make increases, 1 2 3 4 chains and turn, make only 1 increase, insert into the same and make double, chain 1 and look at left here only this 4 and cut my yarn and finish my shawl like that. This part I put steam ironing. You can see it looks rigid and that part not make any steam, so it gets curving. When you finish your scarf you can make this steam ironing. Okay, don't forget it. It's beautiful and it's so simple, only 1 ball and only a few hours you can make 1 day. 1 day 1 ball Baktus scarf. You can increase it and use as a shawl, it's your choice. And it's so simple and absolutely for beginners. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.